Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to put the Apple Watch Ultra 2 strap on. This is the Alpine Loop, and it does come with a bit of a guidelines on the box. As you can see here, you can flip around and it tells you where the sensors are and the crown. So we now have the crown to our left and we have the sensors on the top, and it's showing us this little 49mm here. So you can also see here the side. So let's just go ahead and slide it in. There we go. It took a second to get in. It even broke a little piece. That's not a good sign from the strap if you ask me. On the other side, we can go here and also slide it from the side. That one was much easier. So now the strap is on. You could even see that it shows you with the digital crown how it should look. This has the clasp here, so the clasp should be on the top. If you have doubts on how to put on the strap, you can just look at this guideline, or this video can help you. And then the loop basically goes around and you can attach the little strap there. So this is how we attach the strap on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.